My title is How Much Does Dry Ice Raise? My proposed work that make dry ice separate gases, hot water and cold water, warm air, cold air, and hot air. My hypothesis was that hot water will melt the dry ice fast enough because hot water melts the cold ice. I did some research and dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. It melts at 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit. If you touch it, it will burn you. My materials were 5 jars, dry ice, hot water, cold water, and warm air. My valuables were dry ice, jar size, same amount of water, and my independent variable was conclusions in the jar.
Tell everybody what you did for your experiment. What did you do?
I took 1 jar and put hot water inside of it. I took my second jar and put cold water inside, and put my third jar in cold air, and then I put my fourth in room temperature, and I put my fifth in hot air. My conclusion was dry ice melts faster than hot water, than cold water, or hot air. Put a half a cup of dry ice into the jar. Place jar 1, 2, and 3 on the counter. Place jar 4 in a pan of ice. Place jar 5 in the oven. Watch to see when the dry ice in each jar is gone. My results were first hot water, my second was cold water, my third was hot air, and my fourth was cold air, and my fifth was room temperature. My other things that I learned was putting dry ice in hot water makes hot smoke. You can make bubbles by adding soap to the water with dry ice. You can't make colored smoke or bubbles. Do any of you have any questions?
How did you get hot air?
We put like a jar and put dry ice inside of it and put it in the oven and just turned on the light.
Is dry ice the same? You might have to help me. As nitrogen that you put in.
Liquid nitrogen.
Liquid nitrogen.
And then it's minus 109.3.
I said that.
No heckling.
So it's not the same as liquid nitrogen.
Nope.
Okay.
What is it the same as you told us, didn't you? I think you told us.
Calvin, it's on your research.
Oh, solid.
Under research.
Carbon dioxide.
Is it my turn?
Good job.
Any more questions?
Did you time how fast it took for it to melt?
Nope.
You just watched it.
Cold.
Do you know why the food dye and the water with the dry ice doesn't change the color of the smoke?
Yes, that's because I actually have no idea.
Nice try though.
But the way how we actually got the colored smoke was putting vinegar and baking soda plus dry ice.
we did
Oh, one more. Where'd you get the dry ice?
Full bloom.
Hydroponics.
Garden store.
Yep.
Hydroponics and garden cleaner. Right across from Irving.
Yeah, right in Farmington.
Yep, I've seen
Oh,
that
I
place
asked
on
them,
the
they
picture.
don't have any now.
Aw.
They said in the fall. You got cold, so curious about that kind of ice. You want some.
I don't even know where to get it now.
They have it
Right.
in the fall. They
It's
said.
If you
somewhere.
touch dry ice, does your hand like kind of sting because it's so cold?
It burns it. Yes, they